In this video, I'll show you how to download a colored DWG map from MapServe, open and scale it in AutoCAD, and use it to create a location plan. First, open MapServe in your web browser and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to register before continuing. Once you're signed in, type your postcode into the search bar. A list of addresses will appear. Select the correct address from the list. The map preview will automatically zoom in and center on the selected location. Next, use the rectangle tool to outline the area around your property. If you're satisfied with the preview, add the image to your basket and proceed to checkout. Complete the purchase process as prompted. After checkout, download the file and save it to your drive. Next, open AutoCAD. Use the Insert or Attach option to bring the downloaded file into your drawing. Check units to be in meters. Turn off the meta layer if you do not need it. Go to Layout mode and click on Page Setup Manager. Click Modify and set the following exactly. Printer, DWG to PDF. Paper size, ISO full bleed. A4, 210 by 297 millimeters. What to print? Layout. Scale, 1:1. Select the viewport outline. Type Zoom. Press Enter, then type 0.8 x P and press Enter. Type P space to return to paper space. The next step is to add the scale as text. Type Text. Specify the text height as 3. Set the rotation angle to 0 and then type the text you wish. In this case, type Scale 1 to 1250 at A4. Turn on Object Snap so it's accurate. At the command line, type OSNAP. Make sure at least the following are enabled. Endpoint intersection, midpoint. Click OK. Next, we're going to draw our boundary in red. Create a new layer called Boundary. Select the layer and change its color to red. Type PLINE and draw your boundary on the map. If you want the line to be thicker, select it and change the line weight. We are now going to export the plan in PDF format. Type Plot. Set the printer to DWG to PDF. Plot area should be Layout. Scale should be 1:1. Click Preview. If everything is correct, click OK and save your PDF. Your location plan is now ready.